Hello moneymakers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I am back at SwagBucks again, and today I'm going to watch some TV and video content and make some money. Is it legit? Well, let's find out. So I already logged into my SwagBucks account, and on the sidebar over here, click on watch. So now there is a new Swag TV categories. There's a bunch of subcategories like fashion, health, parenting, and then there's also sponsored videos. So let's check out what is the sponsored videos, and then we'll make our way down. Okay, so we have a couple of sponsored videos, not that many, and we earn 1 SB or 1 swag bucks, which is 1 SB equals 1 penny or 1 cent. So let's try to just click on this one, easy 1 cent, just for viewing this. Let's see what it looks like. So basically there's a countdown, and this video ad auto plays by itself from Yahoo. Okay, the countdown is over, and I just gotta give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. Alright, I'll just give it a thumbs up. And now there's another one I need to watch. Okay, so the thumbs up already pop up here, so I can just click yes. And I need to watch one last one. Okay. Alright, so there it is. So 3 ads or video ads. So let's click next, and I earn 1 penny or 1 SB for that. Oh, okay, there seems to be more. So I guess every 3 videos you watch, you earn 1 penny. Okay, so I watch a total of 6 videos already, and I guess I earned 2 SB for those. Alright, no more. I'm gonna pause this or exit this right now. Alright, so I got my 2 SB for those. I went from 72 to 74, and it seems there are more sponsored videos here, so I can earn 2 SB instead of the 1. So you don't really make much from those. So let's see what are these other ones down here in the Swag TV categories. Let's just try the editor's pick and see what that looks like. Okay, so we have quite a few videos or playlists. Earn 2 SB, watch 40 videos. What exactly does that mean? So I have to watch all 40 videos and earn 2 SB. That seems a little bit ridiculous. Okay, so just some random videos. And yes, it's true, you gotta watch 39 more videos to earn 2 SB. Well, the videos are not too long, about 35 seconds to a couple of minutes. So at this rate, the sponsored videos is your best bet at making potentially a lot more. Okay, I'm gonna try the earn 2 SB. So let's try this one, and it gives you this little questionnaire to see if the ad is gonna be relevant to you or not. Okay, so there's no completion button or anything, so I'm not sure. Maybe I have to click on the next ad. Okay, now once I click on the next ad, I can do whether this ad was good or not. I can do a happy face, and then I'm done. Let's see if I get my 2 SB this time. Alright, so I got paid the 2 SB for that. So let's click on the ad again, see if I get a different one. Okay, so it seems like I get a different one this time. Okay, so at the end of the ad, shows me this right here, interact with this ad. So apparently you have to actually click on it in order to give a rating, whether you were happy with it or not. And then I'm done. And then once you go back to your account, then you get your credit. So okay, seems to have a lot of opportunities with this 2 SB video ads. Okay, so I think I'm done testing these video content for money. So is it true, is it legit that you can watch TV or videos for money. Yes, it is legit, it is true. Are you gonna make a lot of money from it? Nope, no way. So open up 2 screens and just leave it on, let it play, and get on with your other things. I'll leave a link to SwagBucks down below. If you guys want to check it out, it's free to sign up. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more updates and tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks again, and happy money making.